How to remove saved playlist on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways to remove saved playlist on YouTube. So in order to remove your saved playlist on YouTube, first thing first, update your application and then log into your YouTube account. Once you're logged into your YouTube account, it's going to direct you to the official page. Here you can just go ahead and tap the profile icon. While you're on the profile page, as you can see, these are all your playlists. So just tap on the playlist button, and once you tap on the playlist button, you'll be able to see, you'll need to tap on the particular playlist that you wish to delete it. If you want to delete the particular playlist, then tap the three dot icon and tap on the delete button. Once you do that, the saved playlist will be deleted. Then tap on the button next to it and tap on remove from playlist, or just tap on remove from playlist, and that's basically how you can remove saved playlist on YouTube. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.